Welcome to Milwaukee's Baird Center. Here, we break with convention and stand as a beacon of innovation and accessibility. Baird Center is the largest and most adaptable convention center in the region. Our dedication to sustainability and inclusivity is evident throughout the expansion. Baird Center is the crown jewel of the Wisconsin Center District, a convention center campus that includes the Miller High Life Theater and UW Milwaukee Panther Arena. Here, your dream event is within reach. Baird Center's amenities have been catching the attention of event professionals, and the feeling of belonging you find here sets the venue apart. Baird Center is welcoming and inclusive, with sensory rooms, nursing mothers' rooms, and all-gender restrooms. The top floor features the Baird Ballroom and Baird Skyview Terrace, with breathtaking views of Milwaukee. Beyond the Wisconsin Center District, a vibrant city beckons. Discover why Milwaukee's Baird Center is the perfect location for your next meeting or convention.